Quickly install and remove doors with the Milescraft PinDoctor. This handy little tool helps you remove and reinstall door hinge pins while protecting surfaces. The PinDoctor is constructed of clear polycarbonate. This tough, see-through material allows for easy alignment of the striking pin with the bottom of the door hinge. The patented through-body design of the steel strike pin means that 100% of the force is transferred to the hinge pin for easier removal. Using the PinDoctor is easy. Center the strike pin on the bottom of the door hinge pin and tap the hammer plate to simply remove the pin. To reinstall hinge pins, align the door, place the hinge pin into the hinge, turn the PinDoctor upside down, and place the head of the hinge pin on the flat surface. It's easier to complete projects when you can see what you're doing. Make sure the PinDoctor is in your toolbox for the start and finish of your next door project. Milescraft, always the better idea.